sir.
Hi,
May I know your name?
my name is Suraj Kumar. I am founder and CTO of the LuxMed.
What's your company all about?
We are manufacturing the medical equipment that's made in India concept. We are using the more than 90% of the indigenous product in our production, and the technology is owned by the LuxMed. We make the software, we make the design, we make the whole validation and verification processes. Also, we design the project as per the client requirement for blood bank, CSSD, clean room, and other healthcare customized production systems.
Is there any new launch that you have done today?
Yeah, we launched the indigenous high volume ultrasonic cleaner in this expo. This is a very innovative product. That's a whole ultrasonic system, including the transducer, and the control system is developed by the LuxMed and LuxMed development team. And we own the technology and the process how we get the optimal optimization for the decontamination of the medical equipment and the devices.
Do you guys manufacture your products?
Yes, we have the manufacturing unit of the more than 10,000 square foot area in near to Delhi, that's the Ambala city, and also we have the office in Vikhaji Kama place in Delhi to support the local and the export business. And we own the whole process, and also our product is available on the GEM government market portal to sell on the government channels.
Is there any new technology? Is there any new technology that you're thinking to bring for the future of medical?
Yes, basically in the new technology, basically in the after COVID, post-COVID era, there is so many new technologies needed to be introduced for the sterilization department, because sterilization is the one of the critical phase where we use the technology to get a sterilization for the different kind of the medical devices. So we launched the ETO sterilizer, plasma sterilizer, ultrasonic cleaner, steam sterilizer, and the instrument wash and disinfector to give the complete integrated solution. That is also customized by the IoT control system, which you can control the equipment and access the data through the cloud base. And the cloud is also developed by the LuxMed and LuxMed team to get the integrated, and to also we enable our product for the global market through our IoT system and the control processes, which gives you the right access of our product for the mass population.
What are the things that makes your brand different from others?
Yeah, basically our brand is different from the others because the first thing is the Make in India product. As the Make in India product, the India is the source of the every parts, including the stainless steel sheet, metal sheet, software, hardware, and technology. So our product is much lower price rather than the Chinese product and imported from the European and American product. But the next thing, our technology and product implementation is at the optimal of the international and global standard, gives the customer benefits on their investment. They get the faster ROI on our product. And also our product, the validation and verification process, built-in processes in the India, we as per our requirement for the NABH. So this product will be much acceptable for the market and get the easy access for our customer and return on their investment when they are making investment for the healthcare industry.
Since how many years you guys are exhibiting here in medical fair?
Basically, this is a startup company, and the startup company built in 2017. And after post-COVID, we are the winner of the Kavach program of the Government of India. So from 2001, after post-COVID, we are every year we are participating in medical and the medical fair. This is the 2 premium fair organized in Delhi. So we are widely launching our product in this expo, and we are very happy with the response we get from medical fair and the fair happening in Pragati Maidan.
In which fair you guys are planning to exhibit next year?
Next
Or
fair
the
is
coming
our
up few months?
after in the next week we have the very good opportunity to exhibit our product in Startup Mahakumbh, because we are one of the startup company in India in the healthcare sector. So we got the opportunity to exhibit our product in the Startup Mahakumbh. After that, the next expo is the medical, that is happening maybe in the month of October or November.
So sir, is there any website or IG page if anyone wants to buy your product so that
Yeah.
they can get through your website?
Yes, our product is available on the Amazon. Our product is available on the Alibaba. Our product is available on the GEM government marketing portal. Also on the Biomall is my partner for selling our product. So we are available, widely available on the online portal as well as offline portal. So you can access our product through any of the channel. From international export business, we are mostly prefer to go through the Alibaba portal.
Please tell your website to the audience.
Yeah, you can visit our website www.luxmed.in, and the second website is www.lavosis.in. Luxmed own the three brands. One is the Luxmed, is the most premium brand in market. Second is the Lavosis brand that happening into the laboratory business, and Himalayan brand is especially catered for the cooling business and the government market portal. So these three brands is the mostly available in the market, and you can find our product in anywhere on the website portal. Also, Luxmed have their own YouTube channel where all the product video is getting uploaded day by day. So for the benefits of our user, how they use, what is function, and how they get implemented fastly of our product.
As sir just told you about the website and the links of their social media platform, those links are going to be given in the description box. Do check out the description box. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.